The Liasis olivaceus barroni is a python subspecies found in Australia. Adults grow larger than the nominate subspecies, L. olivaceus, and are distinguished by a lower midbody dorsal scale count, 58-66, and a higher number of ventral scales, 374 to 410. Found in Australia in the Pilbara region of Western Australia. The type locality given is Tambrey, Western Australia, in 21 degrees 35 S, 117 degrees 34 E. The Pilbara olive python is protected under the Wildlife Conservation Act, 1950, of Western Australia. It is listed on the Wildlife Conservation, Specially Protected Fauna, Notice 2010-2, in Schedule 1. As a species that is rare or is likely to become extinct. It is also listed as vulnerable under the Federal Environment Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act, 1999.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button below so you don't miss the next video that comes out. Thank you.